What if you could take a YouTube channel already generating over $1,000 a day, study exactly how it works, and rebuild it using nothing but free AI tools? No camera, no audience, no experience. I actually did this, and the results were not what I expected. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the entire process, the exact tools, the income math, and why this model works right now in a way it simply didn't 2 years ago. Stay with me, because most people get this completely wrong. Here's the core idea. Faceless YouTube channels in the AI, finance, and motivation niches are quietly generating anywhere from $800 to $5,000 a month, some far more. These aren't lucky creators, they're operating a system. The question I asked myself was simple. If the system is the asset, can I reverse engineer it? The answer is yes, and AI makes it faster than anyone could have imagined 12 months ago. Let's talk numbers honestly. A channel in the AI tools or passive income niche can realistically hit an RPM, that's revenue per thousand views, of $8 to $18. Some hit $25 in high CPM months. If a video gets 100,000 views at a $12 RPM, that's $1,200 from one video. Now here's what nobody tells you. You don't need to go viral. You need consistency in searchability. A channel with 20 videos averaging 10,000 views each is generating real monthly income on autopilot. That's the target. Not overnight, but within 60 to 90 days, absolutely achievable. This is where it gets interesting. YouTube's algorithm has shifted. It's actively rewarding educational, long-form content in high CPM niches. AI content, business content, side income content. These are all in a golden window right now. Advertisers are pouring money into these categories. Supply of quality content is still low. Demand from viewers is exploding. This window will not stay open forever. The creators who move now are going to own this space. Here's the exact process I used. Step 1. Find a winning channel. Look for channels with 50,000 to 500,000 subscribers, consistent upload schedule, and videos in the 50K to 200K view range. That's the sweet spot. Big enough to prove the model, small enough that the niche isn't saturated. Step 2. Analyze their top 10 videos. Look at titles, thumbnails, topics, structure. What patterns repeat? Step 3. Use ChatGPT or Claude to reframe those topics. Not copy, reframe. Different angle, same proven demand. Step 4. Write the script with AI. Feed the topic, the audience, and the tone. Edit for your voice. Step 5. Use a text-to-voice tool like ElevenLabs for narration. Use Pictory or in-video AI to pair visuals automatically. Step 6. Design the thumbnail in Canva using the competitor's layout as a reference, not identical, inspired. Total production time per video once you have the workflow dialed in? Under 3 hours. Most people assume this is expensive. It isn't. ElevenLabs free tier, $0. ChatGPT free version, $0. Canva free, $0. In-video AI starter plan around $20 a month. Total startup cost to produce your first 5 videos, under $25, possibly free. Compare that to the RPM potential, and the math is almost uncomfortable. YouTube AdSense is the baseline, but here's the real leverage. Once your channel has traction, you layer in affiliate links, digital products, and sponsorships. A channel with 5,000 subscribers in a business niche can charge $300 to $800 per sponsored segment. Combine that with affiliate income from tools you're already recommending and AdSense. Now you have 3 income streams from one piece of content. That's how 1K a day becomes mathematically real. Not 1 stream, 3. Most people hesitate because they think AI content won't get monetized. But here's the twist. YouTube does not discriminate against AI-assisted content. What they flag is mass-produced, low-effort spam. A well-scripted, clearly narrated, genuinely useful video passes every time. The rule is simple. Would a real person sit through this? If yes, you're fine. One thing separates channels that grow from channels that flatline: a specific point of view. Don't just cover AI tools, cover AI tools for people who want to quit their job. Don't just talk about passive income, talk about passive income for people who have no tech skills. Niche within the niche, that's where retention lives, that's where subscribers convert. Now that you understand how to re-engineer and rebuild a winning channel, the next question is which niche you should actually enter, because some niches right now are printing money, others are already dead. I broke down the 5 highest RPM YouTube niches for 2025 in my next video. Watch that before you pick your topic. It could be the difference between a channel that earns and one that never gets off the ground.